Let's get you breaking updates coming in as the countdown begins for Modi 3.0 oath-taking. The first international guest has arrived in the country. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has reached the national capital. The visuals that you're seeing on the screens are Sheikh Hasina arriving in the national capital for the oath-taking ceremony that's taking place tomorrow at 7:15 p.m. Preparations are in place already, and Sheikh Hasina is the first of many foreign leaders who are going to be a part of the historic moment of Narendra Modi swearing in as the Prime Minister of the country for a record third time. Sheikh Hasina has arrived in the national capital, the first of the foreign dignitaries from the neighborhood invited by the Prime Minister. Remember, neighborhood first is a policy that the Prime Minister has envisioned, and that is going to be seen in the oath-taking as well. My colleague Shivani is joining us on the broadcast. Shivani, in line with the neighborhood first policy that the NDA Sarkar has been following for 2 terms, we are seeing guests have started arriving already, and Sheikh Hasina is somebody who also has a personal rapport with the Prime Minister, one of the first guests to arrive.
Pratibha, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, is already in Delhi. She has been received and welcomed, and she also happens to be the first guest who is there for the oath-taking ceremony. And apart from her, there will be more than 6 country heads, including Mauritius, including Maldives, and other countries too. And you see the arrangements in the national capital are also being made to welcome these dignitaries. You see these big banners and hoardings, posters being put up in the national capital to welcome these dignitaries who will be arriving from the South Asian countries to be a part of oath-taking ceremony of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And apart from this, President of Sri Lanka, Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe, then Mohammad Moizu from Maldives, the President, and then we'll have Seychelles Vice President Mr. Ahmed Afif, and Pravind Kumar Jagannath, the Prime Minister of Mauritius, and Nepal's Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda. He'll also be there, and Bhutan's PM Tshering Tobgay will also be there. They've all accepted the invite, and we also know, Pratibha, that apart from these dignitaries who've accepted the invite, there are certain other top leaders of the world who have congratulated Prime Minister Narendra Modi before his oath-taking ceremony, and they're expected to be a part of the oath-taking ceremony when it happens tomorrow in the national capital.
Absolutely. And Shivani, of course, there are several foreign dignitaries who have been called in as well. Stay with us. We have Meenakshi also joining us on the broadcast.
Pratibha, and we have the tweet which has been put up by MEA. MEA has basically put out pictures, and we'll be showing you those pictures as well. MEA basically is talking about how there is, Sheikh Hasina has reached the national capital. In fact, she's the first international, guest who has reached Delhi. We'll just be opening that tweet. There is a very minor technical difficulty, but meanwhile, let's give you a synopsis of what's going to happen, because all eyes are on, the oath-taking ceremony which is going to be held tomorrow. Neighborhood first, Sagar policy, that's the vision of the Modi government, and that's why you are seeing the dignitaries from all, the neighboring countries who have reached, and this tweet has been opened by my colleague Devesh. Thank you for that. First of all, this is Randir Jaiswal's tweet, MEA. He says that the first distinguished guest has set foot in New Delhi for the swearing-in ceremony, and the Council of Ministers. PM Sheikh Hasina of Bangladesh was warmly received by the secretary as she arrived in the national capital, and then he shared these pictures as well of Sheikh Hasina reaching the national capital for the swearing-in ceremony of Modi 3.0.